So we start off today's video with this DIY candle holder. This one features some clay being used. Now this seems like it would be a pretty simple project, nothing too complicated. She just basically rolled out the clay, wrapped it around the candle. Added her little personal touch with the paint there. Very cool. I love the simplicity behind this DIY. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So this looks like another simple project. She made a little table tray with that, very cute. And then we have a design that features popsicle sticks. So far all of these DIYs are very easy, not too complicated to recreate yourself. Oh. I love a good popsicle stick DIY. So this one looks like she might be making some type of like shelving. Oh, wow, that is really cool. I think if she would have kept it with like that diamond shape, it would have looked even better. But very cool design. Now this person looks like they're going to be repurposing some old vases here, so they're painting them. So she added some tape here. Oh, so she's doing like a striped design. Wow, look at the pop of like the rust and the tan color. This is really pretty color scheme. And I love this idea. Wow, those are gorgeous. And she probably made that table too. So looking into the next DIY, looks like this one features, I think, some type of like marble contact paper. It's a really extravagant design. I haven't seen that one before. Adding in some gold foil. Oh, she's making a wall sconce. Wow. Those look absolutely incredible. Very high end, like you spent a lot of money on them because it almost looks like marble the way that the contact paper is laid out. Wow, that is gorgeous. And then we have a Dollar Tree inspired DIY. So these are just dollar store plastic plates. She painted them, and then she has this gold foil. So she added some beading. Oh, she made a vase. Wow, that is really pretty. Oh, I love her color scheme with the pink and the white. So relaxing. So next up, we have some fairy lights here, some strip lights. Looks like she's making a little design here. Oh, so just a very nice like decorative artwork piece. And then we have this gorgeous cup. And I'm saying it's gorgeous because it's gold, white, and black. My 3 favorite design colors. So she's heating up some candle wax. Oh, she's making a decorative candle out of this. Wow, this is so cool. This would be like too pretty to light though, I feel like. Like you wouldn't want to like actually light it because it's just so pretty. Oh, she put some gold flakes in there. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Oh, it does look really pretty lit though. I feel like me and this person have like the same decorative color scheme. So here we have some decorative boxes. So she's repurposing them with her own design. Spray painted them black, added some gold foil or tape. Oh, I like the geometric design of this. Wow, she definitely elevated that look for sure. Oh, I like the little gold spear. Okay, so this DIY has to be of like some type of fancy looking base. So here we go with more gold beads. You can definitely find that at the dollar store. I think all items you can find at the dollar store. Oh, wow. Wow, that is gorgeous. Seriously. Beautifully done. So next up we have someone here. Looks like they're doing something with these mirrors. Painting them white. Adding some cardboard. Oh, wow. Oh, she really elevated those. Wow. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.